ka the whole time up to that day. Girl, feeling niya playing safe ako.
Grabe sagutan na tanong yan. Ang init. Ay, personalan talaga, no?
From the past, girl.
Ginatungan pa. Ginatungan ni Esnir.
Explaining, you're good with words. Pagka-aware.
Sasabog na rin to si Charlie.
Yeah. Sumagot ka pa.
Oh.
Was that right?
Nung sinabi ko talaga yung words na yun na that was supposed to not come out of the
So where's the group?
Palabas ka pa.
That's more than over.
Face to face malala to.
What you have to prevent.
Sumbungan ng bayan.
You were in the outside world.
Actually, itong parang duo challenger na to is magpapakita talaga nung totoong ugali mo. Wait lang, napaka-intense sa mga kaganapan dito sa may duo challengers. So, panoorin naman natin itong part ng Chares ni na Charlie at ni Esnir. Let's go!
Ang tinanong sa amin po ni Kuya was if we think may housemate ba na deserving bumalik. At ang sabi namin is yes.
Yung follow-up question ni Kuya is kung willing ba kami na i-sacrifice, of course, yung position namin, yung spot namin for them.
Actually, itong parang duo challenger na to is magpapakita talaga nung totoong ugali mo at the same time. Mapipilitan ka talaga na mag-burst out ng feeling or ng emotion mo dito. So, ito yung talagang pinapakita siguro dito.
Hindi namin ibibigay yung spot.
Hindi namin ibibigay spot.
Charlie, I have a question. You think you
Ina.
deserve this
Start
spot,
na.
right? But remember the night before the wild card, I messaged you. I think it's you who's going in, so congratulations, love. What did you reply to me? You said, thanks ate, but I feel like you deserve it more.
Ay, personalan talaga, no?
Do you mean that?
I
Were
did
you
mean
true?
it. Kasi alam ko, mas marami kang mapapakita kasi kulang yung time mo nung first weeks. I know that you're my ate. And you really deserve that spot because I saw that you also really wanted it. Na ako yung napili ng taong bayan.
You say mature ka for your age. Pero ginagamit mo yung bunso card. So,
Bunso card!
ano ba talaga?
Kung ginagamit ko yung bunso ko,
Ikaw nagsabi nun.
Yeah, coming from your mouth.
From the past, girl.
Ginatungan pa. Ginatungan ni Esnir.
Ano bang date dyan na sinabi ko yan?
Ba, ikaw nagsabi sa kanya.
From the past.
Charlie ka namin kausap is near si Charlie kausap.
Go.
I came in this house not expecting na ako yung magiging bunso. I was put in this house not because of my age, but because of who I am.
Okay, compare sa mga sa mga other duo challengers na tinanong nila, parang ano to, soft launch. Soft launch. Parang hindi ganong mabigat yung mga tanungan nila.
Anything. As I said, I was proud to call each and every one of you guys my kuyas and ates. And if you think that I'm using the bunso card just like that, then you guys have got it wrong.
Okay, Charlie, do you feel like you have grown in this house nung nag-mature ka?
Yes, I have. I really do.
Okay, yung pagbalik mo dito sa bahay, sumasagot ka pa rin kay Kuya. Sinabihan mo siya na naiinis ka sa kanya. Where's the growth?
Is that
Bumalik ka
maturity?
na. Yes, that how.
Parang immaturity yan eh.
You're good at explaining. You're good with words.
Yung
Pagka-aware.
Sasabog na rin to si Charlie.
Yeah.
Yan ang all talk.
Ay, nako.
Ano?
Yes.
Anything that is said inside the confession room is not supposed to go out. You already disrespected Kuya's rules, sumagot ka pa.
Oh.
Was that right?
Nung sinabi ko talaga yung words na yun na that was supposed to not come out of the
So where's the growth?
Yeah, where's
Kasi
the
that's so
growth?
recent.
We go back to that. Yeah.
Feeling ko mas deserving ng chokla.
Fine.
Okay.
I think growth naman, guys, hindi naman agad-agad yan eh. Hindi mo naman yan masasabi na you're a changed person sa isang tulog lang, sa dalawang tulog lang, sa tatlo kayo.
Nakalabas siya.
Ay, nagtulog din sa kanya.
Like, how long have you guys been in? Excuse me. Are you nakalabas ka pa?
That's more than over.
Face to face malala to.
What you have a privilege.
Sumbungan ng bayan.
You were in the outside world.
I understand that I had a privilege. Coming in, you have to adjust. Coming out, I had to adjust.
Why so? Because when you're wild card, you could disrespect Kuya.
Coming
Oh.
in, I had to adjust again. I know it was my fault, and even now, I'm still improving.
Specific kay Esner. Esner, ba't ka nag-aalala sa mga tingin sa'yo ng tao sa labas? Paulit-ulit ka sa digital footprint, DF ko. Ba't ka nag-aalala? Pumasok ka dito sa isang reality show and you're so concerned about how people look at you. Bakit, Esner? Why are you playing safe and why are you acting?
Playing safe. Galit na galit si Dr. Jose Rizal.
So hindi na sure sa sarili mo.
Oh?
I'm sure sa sarili
sarili ko. Pero I'm not sure nga sa mga sinasabi ng tao. And recently, wala na akong pake. Kasi nung pumasok si Ate Marie, sabi niya, bakit ko iisipin yung labas na I can focus on the now? Go.
So you were saying play safe ka the whole time up to that day?
Girl, feeling niya playing safe ako.
Grabe, sagutan at tanungan yan. Ang init!
Just more conscious on how you behave.
Ito kasi, ito si Sneer, joker naman kasi talaga siya.
Ang mga patawa-tawa ko, kayo na nga mismo nagsabi na nagbe-bring ako ng light sa house. What more kung walang nagbe-bring ng lightness dito sa house?
Yes, exactly.
Yes.
You're bringing light to all the housemates, pero sa dulo, ano nangyari? Walang pumili sa'yo maging kaduwa.
Okay lang na hindi mapili. Kasi at the end of the day, wala naman yan sa kaduo mo. Nasa sarili mo naman yan eh. Malaking
Personalan
part
talaga to,
part
no?
yung kaduo mo. Pero yung nilalaban mo rin dito, yung pangarap mo. Kung wala kang pakialam kung pipiliin ba ako, hindi. Kung walang pipili sa akin, patawa na ako dito. Hello, hindi.
Grabe, no? Parang first time kong makitang ganon yung attitude ni ano dito, ni Sneer. So may ganong attitude pala siya. I love the pataas-taas ng pakurot-kurot, kunot-kunot ng kilay, you know? It's giving Maldita vibes. But chillax pa din naman sila. So, ayun guys, thank you for watching. Siyempre, mag-subscribe ka na. Kung hindi ka pa rin nakasubscribe, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell para lagi kang updated sa mga videos na i-upload ko pa. This has been CJ, your man of letters. Stay safe and stay motivated. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye!